So the situation where Portia Simpson-Miller went to St Ann, in I think it was in Money, and made those very unfortunate statements that came to national attention and was given it by majority of the public. We're seeing a situation now where the video man who recorded the clip for CVM is coming under pressure, and it is being reported that he's also receiving death threats.
Now, this update, the CVM videographer who recorded last week's PNP meeting in southeast St Ann, where party leader Portia Simpson-Miller made what has been described as threatening remarks, has been receiving death threats.
This story was heard Thursday night. I've been having several threats, phone calls. Not identifying themselves. They were only calling from private numbers and issuing threats, expletive languages, and I must watch my back and do stuff.
Hall says it got even worse today.
When I went to the political code of conduct signing in St. Ann State, when a silver car drove up with 4 men, and they told me in no uncertain terms that they know me and know where I live. So I'm a little bit concerned.
Hall has done the correct thing. He has reported the threats to the Outareus police.
I don't know that these threats are credible. I don't know that they're actually happening. I don't know why this man would come and say so if not. However, what I do know, if that is the case, the sense of deterioration in our morals and values gone way beyond what I think. You understand what I mean? I said the man are doing job. The man is an employee of the second largest TV station in the country. You understand what I mean? I say the man never do the report. The man record it and somebody did the report. One not check the man. For the man that do him job, she knew that it was being videoed. She never cared. You understand what I mean? I say, Zane, and then now, a high-ranking member of the People's National Party had this to say.
Upheaval in the constituency then. What she went there with, or who she went there with, wasn't any thug. She went there with the current member of parliament, Lisa Hanna. That's who she went there with. So for somebody to think of it as a threat brings me to what my mother used to say, that as a man think it, so is he. Because she said she would come back for a meeting. I don't know why somebody would be thinking that she's going to be bringing thugs to a political meeting. That doesn't happen in the PNP.
Them things are why certain politicians can't get my respect, Can never get my respect, The whole country hear what the woman say, and hear what this hombre I come try spinning thing to make it look like we don't have no sense. I saw them take Jamaicans for fool. I want to the hombre, man, you think you alone go school road, boy. Watch yourself and go away from yourself with that. But I want to you. But so a man speak it, man talk. Yo, hear me I say, man, go away with that. You see me I say, so the opposition leader speak as that she is to them. You see me I say, not come with that. Before you come and say, here what go on. You know say, in the heat of the moment, Madam Simpson-Miller made some very unfortunate statement. I think she don't mean, and it is a situation where, in reflection, she wish she didn't say it, and we need to forgive her and move on. The man come try to justify what the woman said. Yo, them things they get me cross. You understand? I know some people are going to run in on this again and talk about me and labor rights. So what I want to say, that's why the country can't go no further. And we can't get no better because we can't do too much slackness. You see me I say? Yo. Tell about you, Tell about you, I'm going to leave, Time will catch you.
Now, in the meantime, we have an update on the matter involving former Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller. When I contacted the political ombudsman, Donna Parchment-Brown, today, she explained that she met with Mrs. Simpson-Miller as well as some of her colleagues Tuesday. The meeting was said to be a good one. The Ombudsman said she was left satisfied with the explanation given by Mrs. Simpson-Miller about the matter in St. Ann. Ms. Parchment Brown says she's now awaiting a letter from Mrs. Simpson-Miller outlining what she intends to do arising out of this meeting. That's Tuesday. The letter may be available by Wednesday, so we could get some more information on that tomorrow.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.